Reduced adverb clauses. Introduction. What is a reduced adverb clause? That's easy. A reduced adverb clause is a shortened adverb clause. And it does the same thing as an adverb clause, which means it functions like an adverb. It's also known as a participial phrase or a modifying participial phrase. Take a look at this sentence. Can you spot the adverb clause? There it is, before you complete this lesson. You'll remember that an adverb clause is called a clause because it contains a subject and a verb. However, this is not true when we reduce it. A reduced adverb clause, like the one you'll see now, does not contain a subject and a verb. So now, before you complete this lesson has become before completing this lesson. The reduced adverb clause is called a participial phrase because it contains a present participle or an ing verb. So if adverb clauses and reduced adverb clauses do the same job, I bet you're wondering, why do we even use reduced adverb clauses? It's a good question. One answer may just be that it's for a change of style. Just like we can change up our hairstyle to express ourselves, we could choose to use a modifying phrase rather than a clause to express our writing style. Another reason to use a reduced adverb clause is to simplify a sentence. Imagine you have a very long, complicated sentence with an adverb clause. If this adverb clause can be reduced, reduce it. This will make your writing a lot more concise and understandable. So when can an adverb clause be reduced to a phrase? This is an important question to ask because we can only reduce an adverb clause if the subject is the same in both clauses, meaning in the adverb clause and the main clause. For example, in this sentence, after Polly rolled around in the mud, she was dirty and disheveled from head to toe. Polly, in the first clause, and she, in the second clause, are referring to the same subject, that little pig you see there. So can we reduce this adverb clause? Yes, we can. However, in this sentence, after Polly rolled around in the mud, Pablo asked if he could join her. Polly, in the adverb clause, is not the same subject as Pablo in the main clause. So can we reduce this adverb clause? Absolutely not. You'll remember that adverb clauses can communicate many different types of relationships between ideas. Generally speaking, we can only reduce adverb clauses that express time, cause, or contrast. For example, this adverb clause of time, this adverb clause of cause, and this adverb clause of contrast can all be reduced. Here's how. Take a look at the first sentence. After you finish this course is reduced to after finishing this course. Since you will be an expert is reduced to being an expert. And finally, though mastering English grammar can be difficult, is reduced to though difficult. Don't you like the sound of that? I bet you would like to learn how to reduce adverb clauses on your own. Well, you're in luck. In the next lessons, you will learn exactly how to reduce adverb clauses to make your writing more concise and more styling. Are you excited? I hope so. See you next time.